eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I have a shipping tutorial for you. Let me tell you how this came about, because you know that I don't ship anything too complicated, and I live in Atlanta, Georgia, where we don't have snow skis in our thrift stores. I've never even seen a pair. I've seen water skis, but no snow skis. So what happened was KC, who you all know from the Supersize $100 sales videos, and if you're in my Facebook group, he is very active and often answers questions. He put up a post about how to ship snow skis with step-by-step instructions and photos. So I asked for his permission, and he said it was fine to make a video about that and just show you his process. This is his busy time with being a ski instructor out in Park City, Utah. So I really appreciate him stepping up and putting this information together. And now you have a video that shows you all the steps. If you're actually shipping a pair of skis, you might want to pause the video at each step as you work along with it, or even take screenshots of the different parts of the process. So here we go.